Can I do this one?
Yeah.
Nick's Pizza, may I help you?
Hi, can I have a pickup?
Pick up? What'd you like?
Hello, you missed me!
Hey, man! What's going on?
Nothing, man. Nothing.
Huh?
Where were you?
Beautiful day today, huh?
Yeah, this fucking snow, pain in the ass.
How come you don't stop by, man? Come over here.
You're gonna beat the shit out of me.
Huh?
You're gonna kill me.
I won't, man. I'm not like that, you know?
I don't
I'm
know.
pissed. Huh?
I saw a big kid in there. I saw a big kid.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, he's mean. That guy with the big head, he's mean.
Fire his ass. Hire me.
Huh?
Hire me.
So what's going on?
Ugh, nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing really, bored. Calling
Come
more
on, man.
hookers.
Man, that day I told you to go grab some beer so we can have a beer. You being cheap, huh?
I can't even buy beer. I'll get arrested.
Huh?
If I buy beer, I'll get arrested.
No, man, no. Nobody
Yeah.
gets arrested here in my shop here. You know,
How about you buy me beer?
I make the rules here.
Yes, I know, I know.
Huh?
How about we eat a pizza and have a beer, cold beer.
Yeah, that's it. You know, but you keep saying you're gonna stop by, you never stop by, man. What are you afraid
I
of?
get scared. I get scared.
No,
I'm
man,
about.
you don't have, you don't have to be scared. You know, the guys here, they're good guys. They'll take care of you on the back.
Wait, what does that mean? Are they gonna rape me?
Oh, well, we have to drink on the back, right?
Yeah,
So
but they
they'll
gonna
take care
they
of you
gonna
there.
rape me.
You cannot drink beers on the front here. We have to drink all the way in the back there. You know.
Yeah, I know, but they're gonna all beat me up. I'm gonna get my face smashed in.
Oh,
You're so funny, dude. You're so funny.
Hello, hey, buddy, how are you?
uh,
Hey, what up, dude?
okay,
What you
man.
mean? I love you. I miss
I'll
you.
come in tomorrow. I come
Stop
visit
by
you.
later. Okay, man. I'll be here.
Fuck
Alright,
All
bye
right.
bye.
Take it easy.
I love you.
you.